So hey there, you're getting ready for Christmas and you are so excited for the holidays. You just want to be so squared away. I'm going to square you away. I've got a couple of Christmas titles I want to show you. There's about 8. And I want you to see how beautiful these books are. So this is one of our sticker dolly dressing books. If you can hear the pages, they are so nice and thick, and the reason they're made this way is because all of the stickers are reusable. So here's a Cinderella page and Snowflakes page. Each page goes with a page in the book, so the child can easily match where the stickers go. It's gorgeous. So I highly recommend this book. It's only $9.99. Christmas magic painting book. So the way this works is it comes with its own paintbrush, and you use the paintbrush with just water. You use this back flap in between the pages so that water does not go through as the child is painting, or you can also perforate it so you can actually use this for multiple children at a time. Take out all the pages that you need and get to work. It shows up in color just like this, which is awesome. This tiny little pick, it's $4.99. Osborne very first words for Christmas. Look how precious this is. I really like the size, and I love the themes on each page. So it sort of frames everything as to why they're learning each word on that page. It's not just random. It's focused education. This is new this year, highly anticipated because it's so different. As you know, our publisher loves to find unexplored niches in the publishing world, and for children, making their own stained glass is definitely one. So here is, I don't know if you can see the pictures, the page is kind of translucent. So, and it's got a little back page on it, so they can put the page over the other page and get to coloring and then pull this out for their own stained glass image. Isn't that amazing? And so you tear it out and you color it out of the book and then attach it to a window of tape. Your picture will light up brightly on a sunny day. Look at that. So color in between the black lines on the see-through paper. This is only $7.99, you guys. Get them quick because they will sell out. What I'll show you is the Touchy-Feely Christmas book. It is so perfect. It's kind of combining the touchy-feelies with Christmas for babies. If you can see the black and white, these are the easily distinguishable colors for children, but they'll also be able to put their fingers on each of the pages to distinguish textures. So here we go. Here's another black-white image. They'll really enjoy recognizing these shapes as you go throughout the holidays. Here's something new, magic painting Christmas cards. I am so excited about this concept because it takes the magic painting and makes it into something super useful. So your children can actually send these cards, once they're dry of course, in the mail, and they will have decorated them themselves. So it comes in this little envelope here, I don't know if you can tell, and the whole set is only $8.99. It has 5 each of 2 different patterns. This book, my friends, is fantastic. It is $16.99, and I have had people say, that's it. The inside is beautiful and so richly decorated, but it's also a touchy-feely book. So as they go along, they can explore the animals and just really have an experience with the story of the Nativity. I think this book is undervalued at $16.99. I just love it so very much. Finally, we have what's called Busy Santa. So he comes with a little Santa toy, and you pull back, it's a pull back, and he travels along the path. So I'm going to show you the path that he's traveling. Look at this. There are several paths. So he's doing all of it through treetops here, and he's still going. See this? Go back this way. And there is a story to go with it, so you can read along with the book. I love this because it combines a toy and a book in one gift. And this is $24.99. It's perfect. So if any of these interest you, go ahead and send me a message or comment below. We'll get these put on your wish list. You can share your wish list with anyone in the family and get exactly what you want. I'm sorry, what your kids want for Christmas.